No one cares about your token, so you need to make them care about it. In this video, I'm going to show you the best volume bot you can use for your Bucks token to actually make people notice about it and send it to the moon. Let's go directly to the tool. I just launched this token with a bundler. As you can see, I launched it on both, and then a sniper came. And we can see that there are more transactions coming. These actually are real people buying the token, but I need to tell you that you can also make this happen to actually attract even more buyers, because as you can see, there are 5-6 buyers, they got the token, but there are not more coming. You need to actually make your token boosted so people see it alive, hyped, and they get in so you can take more profits. For doing it, we have Bucks Volume Bot. As you can see, it's a really simple tools. We have 3 options: boost token, target price, or bumps, or advanced bot. And I will show you a 4th one that it's a no-brainer if you have experience using market maker bots and so on. Anyway, I will just explain the boost token, which is the most simple one, but you can explore the other ones. As running bumps is also useful. Running bumps basically means that you are market making your token, but also pumping it with each trade. Okay, you can set how much you want to pump the token, and basically the bot will be buying and selling the token and keeping a percentage to itself, so it starts growing organically a bit. And then we got advanced bot, where you can basically set whatever you want, all custom. But for this, you need a bit more experience. So let's start directly with the boost token, which is more simple. For using it, it's pretty straightforward. You just need to put a token address in here. There we go, token address. We need to select how much makers we want to generate. In this case, we will be paying 0.025 SOL each 100 makers, which is really cheap, it's nothing. But you need to know that when you are selecting how much makers. My recommendation is not use more makers that you are actually doing on your token, because it will look really bot and people won't enter in it. In this case, as it's a brand new token, we don't have much makers, but let's say we will use 100 makers maybe along the next 24 hours, so it doesn't look like we have a lot of bots coming and buying, because it will be so obvious. But we have some bots coming, buying, selling, and so on every 5 minutes, which will be much more organic, and then we will see more buys incoming, so that will, match together. Then we need to select how much volume we want to generate, which basically based on how much makers we have and how much volume we generate, that will be the amount that every maker will be buying and selling. We can select more volume, and the only thing that will change is that we will need more SOL in the beginning. This doesn't mean that this SOL will be spent, but we need to put more SOL into the tool so it can have a node, basically SOL, to make these trades and so on. Then we select how much SOL we want to spend. If we are changing these amounts, everything will be changing, so you need to take a look on it. And how much minutes we want the bot to run. In this case, if we put 20 minutes, all makers will happen in only 20 minutes. Okay, so we can increase this amount whatever we want. And remember, you need to feed all them so they look legit and organic on your token. Once you have this setup ready, you just need to click on Start Bot. A transaction will pop up on your wallet. Here we pay the fee, 0.2 in this case, and any Solana left will be sent back once the process finishes. So as we can see, we have here all logs where we can actually check what's going on with our token. It will show every maker wallet, every maker buying, every maker selling, so we can track everything in here. We also have an history, so you can check other makers or the runs you have done. As you can see, I've been running this for a while now, since January 2025. So it's actually a really useful tool that you will be using in your daily basis if you are a dev of a token. So we can see starting maker 1, maker 1 funded. This is the wallet of the maker, and then we will see more buys coming in. In this case, I think this is the first one. Yes, we got the first buy of our maker, and then it will come and sell, and then more makers will come and sell, and so on. This is the logic, and this is how it works. Pretty straightforward, but it will make your token attractive, which is the most important here. As promised, we got the 4th method here, that it's basically the best way ever to actually boost a token, because it's really organic. In this case, it's not automated at all. You need to handle it, but if you are a pro using it, you are gonna make it. Basically, I made a whole tutorial on how to use this. You can see it right here, but how it works in a second is you have a lot of wallets here that you can distribute your SOL to, and you can start buying and selling here all the time the token. So it will be like if you have 100 wallets of random traders buying your token, organically buying and selling with custom amounts from 0.1 sol to 10 sol. And actually, it's like you have people actually trading your token, and this is actually the best way to do it because it looks organic for real. You have no bubble maps, you have nothing. You have just a bunch of wallets, you are managing them all, and it looks clean as fuck, and it will really, really, really attract people out there. Keep it as a secret. I keep it always in the end of the videos, just for those people that actually care about this. Use it at your own risk, but it's an invincible gun, for real. There you go. That's how easily you can boost your token to the moon and attract more buyers and for sure take more profits when you have the chance. That's all for today. Thanks so much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.